Spotlight on seafood. Seize the benefits from the best 5. The warmer weather sparks renewed interest in the ocean and provides a treasure trove of delicious food. So today, we'll be counting down the top 5 healthiest seafood options that can elevate your diet. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Did you know that the American Heart Association recommends seafood in your diet, and they recommend it for at least twice a week? And why not? Some essential nutrients are found in higher concentrations in seafood, and compared to a land-sourced protein, seafood is generally lower in calories, making it a savvy choice for an individual managing their weight. So let's kick off the countdown of the top 5 healthiest seafood options that can elevate your eating plan. Number 5, marvelous mussels. A 3-ounce serving of steamed blue mussels only contains about 150 calories. Mussels are high in vitamin B12, needed for the production of red blood cells. Also plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy nervous system and cognitive function. Mussels are also abundant in the mineral zinc. Zinc plays a significant role in tissue repair and wound healing. It supports a healthy immune system by aiding in the production of white blood cells. Healthy zinc levels have also been linked to a reduction in macular degeneration, which is a serious disease of the eyes that can lead to blindness. Boil some sliced ginger and a lot of chopped onions in a big pot of water. Throw in some mussels to enjoy a warm, briny soup. Number 4, outstanding oysters. A serving of 3 oysters provides just 69 calories. It's a great source of selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect against cell damage and improve immune function. It's also known to prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. A single serving of oyster also impressively fulfills 22 to 33% of the daily requirement for iron. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen into the body. It helps reduce fatigue, enhances memory, and improves sleep quality. Experts recommend cooking oysters fully before consuming them, as raw or uncooked oysters can contain harmful bacteria. Top some shucked oysters with bits of anchovy, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and a little balsamic vinegar for a unique tasting starter. Number 3, sumptuous scallops. A 3.5 ounce of boiled or steamed scallops packs around 135 calories. Its high magnesium content helps blood vessels relax. Scallops also contain calcium. It's great for bones and teeth. Magnesium counteracts the effect of calcium, which helps blood vessels constrict. In tandem, these 2 minerals transport electrolytes that are crucial in maintaining a normal steady heartbeat. Saute scallops in minced garlic and a touch of olive oil. Allow them to cool. Then drizzle with Greek yogurt infused with chopped dill. And voila! You created a delightful Mediterranean dish. Number 2, stellar shrimps. Shrimp remains a beloved choice for those mindful of their weight. A 3-ounce serving of lightly boiled shrimp only has 85 calories. Shrimps are the primary source of astaxanthin, a carotenoid and an antioxidant that has multiple health benefits. It bolsters the immune system by producing more white blood cells and reducing inflammation. It prevents skeletal and muscle damage by enhancing the use of fatty acids in the body. Astaxanthin helps skin cells manage oxidative stress. Some studies have shown that it can reduce UV damage that causes the skin to burn and age. Shrimps are also a fantastic source of copper. Copper helps the body turn sugar to energy. It also assists in the formation of collagen, a protein that gives your skin structure and elasticity. Elevate your favorite salad, by adding tender, lightly boiled shrimp for a refreshing, wholesome meal. Number 1, the fatty fish champions: salmon, sardines, and Atlantic and Atka mackerel. A 3-ounce serving of salmon or mackerel contains roughly 200 calories, while a serving of sardines yields 100 calories. These fatty fish are replete with omega-3 fatty acids. They play a crucial role in brain function and maintaining a healthy heart. Studies also suggest that omega-3s potentially reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline, and it may help manage overall inflammation. All these fatty fish are also abundant in vitamin D. Vitamin D plays an important role in calcium absorption that promotes strong bones and teeth. It helps regulate the immune system, potentially reducing susceptibility to infections and autoimmune diseases. Grill or pan-sear your chosen fish with a simple seasoning of salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon. For additional flair, experiment with fresh herbs like tarragon or thyme. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 healthiest seafood options that can elevate your diet. Every seafood option on this list is a protein powerhouse. Protein is necessary for muscle growth and repair. It also helps you fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Although the exact quantity may differ, each seafood option listed here serves as a source of omega-3 fatty acids. As previously mentioned, omega-3s provide a multitude of health benefits, including support for cognitive function and promotion of heart health. But one of the key factors in selecting a seafood on this list is their low mercury content. Mercury is a heavy metal that can be harmful in high doses. Among the many effects of mercury poisoning are kidney damage, tremors, and breathing difficulties. Minimizing mercury exposure is crucial, especially for pregnant women, children, and individuals trying to conceive. Choosing seafood known to be lower in mercury and sticking to the weekly limit of 2 servings ensures that you can enjoy the health benefits without the risk associated with mercury. To truly enjoy your seafood choices at their best, here are some helpful reminders. Opt for fresh seafood whenever possible. Look for bright, clear eyes in whole fish. Avoid any seafood with a strong odor or slimy texture. Refrain from drowning your seafood in heavy oils, sauces, or excessive additives. Experiment with herbs, spices, and light dressing to enhance the taste without overpowering it. Refrigerate seafood promptly after purchase to maintain freshness and quality. Consume seafood within 1 to 2 days for optimum flavor and nutrient retention. We hope that this information empowers you to make informed choices when incorporating these seafood options into your diet. Which seafood choice piqued your interest most? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Join us again next time for another episode of Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Remember, low mercury seafood is a bountiful storehouse of nutrients, so savor each choice in turn.